Hi guys, it's your girl Abby back at it again. Okay, so today we will be doing the live wallpaper. Yes, because a lot of you guys keep asking me on my Instagram, Facebook, all of you guys was like, oh, we gotta know how to do this because it's late, you know. And for the new subscribers, welcome. Make sure you subscribe down below. I'm waiting for you guys. You better subscribe and make sure you kill the bell button. Click the bell. So make sure you do it that right now. I'm gonna be uploading every single Friday. So the first thing you guys need to do is, as you guys will see from right here, you know, follow me as we do it. Make sure you download the picture play post. You click the new project. Click the create a movie side, you know, and make sure it's on the Instagram post, you know. Then click this, as you guys can see. And also, like I wanted to tell you guys, it's better if you have like a certain kind of file that you put all of the pictures that you will be using, so you don't have to be going to scroll it down try to find the best pictures. It saves time, so make sure you keep up. So mine is this is where I did, let me see, where is it? Yeah, I put it in pictures, and I'm gonna select all the pictures I want, and I'm gonna click next. Here you go. See? And also, like with me, I'm really picky, if you guys ain't noticed. So I have to make sure my slides are like on point. I can't just choose any slide. And you can just tell how much minute you want how much seconds you want the slides to be there, you know. Gotta make sure mine is the dopest. Yeah. So yeah, so you can take your time on this, you know, make the slides look as good as you want. And also I put the music, but there's a trick to this, guys. I don't know how to, like, if you put it on your wallpaper, I don't know how you're gonna play the music. Like, the music does not play, it's just the pictures. So also the thing is though, if you don't have music on your phone like I do, like my music, if you don't have nothing, just go on YouTube, record a music from somewhere, and you can just click my videos and click which one. Yeah, this one. I love this music so much, guys. It's crazy. And yeah. So then after saving it, because you need to save your picture, then you go into the live. Make sure that's another app you have to download. That's a whole process. You have to download it, and once you download it, the video should be here. Yeah, and this is how this will look like. And you have to click save live picture, definitely. And after, you have to go setting and click the wallpaper. Click this, and you should say live wallpaper, and this should be there. And make sure you always click the live photo. You can't just click any other one, it won't work, it just won't work. So click set. It doesn't work for the home screen, so you can only put it on a lock screen. You have one option only, so save it as that. After that, I'm gonna just close this. So, and you're supposed to hold the screen for like 10 seconds, and it's supposed to play. Yeah, and yeah, so this is how it's gonna look like. But my original one did not look like this, but I still look good. So that's pretty much it. That's it, guys. That's it. This, like, it's so simple, and like you don't have to stretch it. It's like if you want to put you and your spouse there, whoever you love so much that you want to waste the 30 seconds for. It's me, obviously. You guys can see I love myself, and that's it. So that's it for this video. Make sure you check out like what happened to Sapphire if you're like old subscriber and you notice that my partner is not here. Make sure you watch the video right here. And if you want to like watch the video that me and my best friend we did, the whisper challenge, make sure you check out this video. And that's it for now. Peace.